Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the issue before Mumbai ITAT A bench was that if an assessee purchases some property from a non-resident Indian and he deducts the TDS according to section 194 IA in spite of section 195, that is, the assessee deducts TDS at 1% instead of 20%, but the assessee fulfills the conditions of section 201 subsection 1 first proviso. So whether in that case the assessee can take the benefit of first proviso to section 201 subsection 1 and he will not be deemed to be assessee in default. This issue has been taken up by Mumbai ITAT A bench in the case of Amar Abdullah Archiwala versus Income Tax Officer, International Taxation, and this case is reported in 123 ITR Tribunal, short notes 47, and the date of the judgment is 5th February 2025. The case relates to the assessment year 16-17. In the present case, the assessee purchased a property from a non-resident. The assessee deducted the TDS at the rate of 1% under section 194 IA. The assessing officer noticed that the seller is a non-resident and the assessee should have deducted the TDS at 20% instead of 1%. So the assessing officer issued a show cause notice to the assessee. The assessee could not submit all the relevant documents fulfilling the conditions of first proviso to section 201 subsection 1, that is, the assessee has to submit that the seller has filed his income tax return, the seller has showed the income into his income tax return, and the seller has paid the taxes on that, and a certificate of a chartered accountant in respect of these conditions. So the assessing officer treated the assessee in default and raised the demand of the difference between 20% and 1%, including interest plus section 234E fees. The assessee filed the appeal before the CIT appeal and filed the necessary documentation with the CIT appeal, that is the chartered accountant certificate, the seller's income tax return copy which was showing that the seller has taken the income into his income tax return. The seller has not paid the taxes because he was incurring the loss on the sale of that property. But the CIT appeal didn't entertain the appeal of the assessee, so the matter went to the tribunal. The tribunal said that in the present case, if the assessee fulfills the conditions of first proviso to section 201, in that case the assessee cannot be termed as assessee in default. Since in the present case the assessee has not submitted the documents before the learned assessing officer, so a fair opportunity should be given to the assessee to present his case before the assessing officer. Since in the present case the assessee has filed the documents with the CIT appeal and the CIT appeal has not considered this, so the tribunal thought it fit to remand the matter back to the assessing officer because it is the first assessing officer who should have all these documents for examination. Friends, this case is very important because this mistake can happen with a number of assessees, because number of the assessees do not know this provision that whenever they are purchasing the property from NRI, they have to deduct the TDS at the higher rate which is there in section 195, which is generally 20%. Now it is being reduced because the tax rates have reduced on the long-term capital gain. So the assessee can take the benefit of this thing in cases where the assessee has skipped the deducting of TDS at the higher rate. The first proviso to section 201 subsection 1 can help those assessees who have not deducted the TDS as per section 195 and have deducted the TDS under section 194 IA. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Amar Abdullah Archiwala versus Income Tax Officer, International Taxation, and this case is reported at 123 ITR Tribunal, short notes 47, and the matter has been decided by Mumbai ITAT A bench on 5th February 2025. Friends, I always recommend all my listeners that before relying the ratio of any judgment, it is very essential for the person who is listening this video that they should read the full judgment before using that judgment, and we have given the full description of that judgment in our description also. Thank you, friends.